Hey guys, I'm just testing my bike right now, uh, which I took for a small night spin yesterday night and ended up landing in a pothole at high speed because three dogs were chasing me. And this is what happens if you don't drive your bike every day. You lose the instinct, and you shouldn't really have to rev up if the dogs are chasing you. But I did that and was a fool. And what did it cost me? It cost me rim bends right about here. Structure has bent, and here. As well as on the rear tire somewhere. Here. And here. Why does it happen that the left side gets more bent?
What?
The left side rims are more bent than the right side ones.
Because of the uneven pothole.
Uneven pothole? Shit, at least our guys don't even make even potholes, is it? Uneven potholes. So do you think I lose air? Do you think I have to change the rims?
You have to periodically check the air if it is losing. Then you have to change. Otherwise, not needed.
What happens if I am going on a really long drive, and how do I periodically check that I am losing air or not? I want these lights. It is also Mad Max's death anniversary today, do you know?
Hey brother,
Huh?
rest in peace, brother.
Who's?
Rest in peace.
Yeah, rest in peace, Mad Max. He was the first rider from South India, right? To finish, what was that?
One burner.
Bun burner, yeah. And he was attempting saddle no, gold.
Gold. One burner.
Bun burner gold, yeah.
2,500 kilometers in a day.
In 24 hours. On which bike was he attempting again?
We are to 50.
Yeah, but thing is, respect to him. अरे देखा ही नहीं मैं. हाँ सब खैरियत. या नई गाड़ी कैसी चल रही? अच्छी चल रही. ये जबरदस्त खींचती. या वन में लाइट डालो. लाइट जबरदस्त है. अच्छा मेंटेन कर रहे ना. जबरदस्त चलती, लेकिन ये खींचती जो खींचती वो खींचती. अच्छा यहाँ पे सामने. ठीक है, मिलता हूँ फिर. ओके राइट. You know that guy, right?
Who is that?
Our beef biryani guy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
He stopped because he saw us.
Without a reason, all the
Holy fuck, that is fast.
It's okay. In minutes. Not more than 100.
It just feels like it is fast, is it? Because of the sound. So yes, rest in peace, Mad Max. You know why? Because he was a crazy guy, right? And he was crazy in a good way. There are people who are crazy for useless stuff, jobs, promotions, love, bullcrap, bullshit, everything. Money, power. But he was crazy for his ambition, for biking. So that is why respect. And we are announcing our new WhatsApp group. What is it? The crazy ones.
I'm not crazy.
No, you are crazy. You are crazy because you take your bike, this bike, to all sort of places which you are not supposed to go, according to the cops. You are not supposed to take your bike into.
I feel I am crazy because I opened my bike's engine 4 times in
Yes.
20 days.
Show me. Is this the engine, or you're using a 50cc or something now?
What?
Is that your engine still, or are you using a 50cc engine?
My engine only. Next time I'm going to open the whole engine myself.
Okay. Whole engine you are going to open yourself, and then after that the bike is never going to work, is it? The bike is not going to work after that.
Yeah, I'm experimenting.
Why did you open the engine?
It's very difficult to
Why did?
everything.
No, but just in one line, if you want to say, why did you open the engine?
It is because of low end knocking, low RPM knocking, especially when the engine is hot.
Low RPM knocking. I hope the audio is coming on this.
Don't think so.
I don't- So low RPM knock. You had low RPM knock. You also had a ton of other issues with your bike, right? Electrical stuff.
No. They are regular maintenance works. They have been taken care of by
Okay.
myself.
Awesome.
I'm the vlogger.
Nice. Do you also help with rim repairs? Alloy rim repairs?
Yeah, you just get me one hammer. I'll do that.
No. I want repair, not like demolishing of my rims.
That's
Oh.
the position.
Do you know if anybody else is coming for the meetup now?
I don't know. I haven't informed anybody else apart from you.
Okay, let's ride then. Also, I want those pilot lamps. Let's ride to the place. I'm hungry actually. So let's finish the 10k walk today.
Let's see. The climate is good.
Yeah,
Maybe
climate is actually good. Even in afternoon there was no sun today.
morning it was very good. I somehow feel like going for a small ride tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, small ride. The climate is going to be like this, I'm sure. Morning would be an awesome.
I'm not going tomorrow.
It would be an awesome climate.
I-
Don't want to miss this particular, especially in
See,
summer starting.
I-
You don't get the climate again.
I may not go because I have been sad the whole day because of my bike's rim. So I have to work tomorrow. So let's see. Okay, come.
You want to see whether your bike has any problem, you have to ride and see, not just put it at home and see.
No, but
Ride
it is.
it and see the problem, whether it is a problem that is or not. You have to ride and see.
Okay, we'll ride. We'll see. I'll let you know in the evening. Come, let's go now. Tomorrow there is a hangout at my place. You're coming?
I'm going for a ride. After that
Tomorrow
I'll
in the evening.
see. Yeah, then I will.
Evening to night. Trideep, Deepan, everybody is coming.
Yeah, most probably I will.
We are all playing WWE with Karthik. Alright, let's ride. Let's ride. WWF, yeah, WWF or WWE, whatever. What was that again? Suspension knocking, right? No, wait. Mine, suspension, not knocking. What happens when the suspension goes all the way?
Bottoms out.
Yeah, suspension bottoming, yeah. That's what happened. You think my cone set or anything else is also gone? I don't see any vibration though. But
It is not the vibration that you get. The bike will have a snake-like movement.
did you notice any
Bike
snake
will
like?
sway to left and right.
No. So bike will sway left and right.
Yes.
Did it do? I was driving without hands, so no
That I
hand.
will not be able to know. That only it will not be visible from outside. That only you will feel when you ride.
I don't
And
feel
this
anything
vehicle
like that.
is very, very expensive.
What?
The cone set is around, I heard it is 2,800.
Yeah, my wheels are 3,700.
No, I am talking about cone set.
Okay.
2,800.
I hope the
Luckily for
concept.
me it is 290 rupees.
What?
290 rupees.
Two.
for the bike.
I'm paying 10 times more
Yeah.
because Yamaha. Holy crap. Alright, let's go Anna. Let's ride.
Generally what happens is, if the impact is taken by the rim,
Huh?
there is a less chance of cone set taking that impact.
Okay.
So I feel that your cone set is fine. If they had been defective or if it takes the impact, by this time you would have complained it to me.
I hope so. Let's see. Let's go then. Let's ride. Bye bye.